Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Dad's Crackin' Packs. And today we are looking inside the Legendary Duelist Season 3 of Yu-Gi-Oh! Now, I've already cut the plastic up here so that we can have a look. I used to love Yu-Gi-Oh! Like playing it, watching the anime. Yu-Gi-Oh! GX I still watched a bit, but the ones with the number monsters, the anime, that's where I kind of stopped it. So the box is actually quite nice design-wise. Let's see here. We have a cool dice that seems to be collectible. At least it says so on the box. And as you can see here, my god, it's hard to see, but yeah, can't remember which it is, but I think it's one of those unusual fusion things. What are the sinks? Yeah, a sink monster. My god, showing my age and how long ago I've played Yu-Gi-Oh! Actively, but I think it's one of those sink monsters. So now we'll just keep that in the background. Then we also have two first edition booster packs. And here is our ultra rare card, which is Predaplant Trifioverotum. Pretty cool, a plant fusion effect monster. Now, it looks cool, so let's put that to the side here. And now, let's get cracking, huh? Let's see what's inside. Heart of the card, don't fail me now. I'm happy if I get some water stuff going, but let's see. We have Offering to the Immortals, Earthbound Immortal Virukarska something, Revival of the Immortals, okay. Supe, kind of cool. Evil Mind spell card. Earthbound Greater Line Walker, okay. Sounds very like Bakura kind of stuff. Evil Hero Dark Gaia. Call of Earthbound, yeah, that all sounds, ooh. Predaplant something something Flesia. Also very cool and very ultra rare. Then I think it's super rare, but for some reason it's blue, so I'm not sure what the rarity here is, but I'll find it out. A junk converter. And a pretty cool looking number monster, number C40, gimmick puppet of dark strings. Awesome. Then Magistry Alchemy, Starving Venom, Fusion Dragon, Generation Next. Isn't that the song of Yu-Gi-Oh! GX? Yeah, pretty cool cards. Magician Rod, A Hero Lives, cool. Okay, I'm gonna need to read through all of these, but for this pack, we have these three as our rare cards. So, and now let's crack number 2, huh? And have a look. So, yeah, crack it in front of the camera. So, Dark Spirit Mastery. Earthbound Immortal Pop Apu Sentence of Doom. Another evil hero, okay. Spellcaster. Dark Spirit of Banishment. That is a Bakura card if I remember correctly. Ultra rare Ascator Dawnwalker. Pretty cool. Nice artwork with the giant ant here. A Dark Magician Girl, nice. Love a good Dark Magician Girl card. And this one again is especially beautiful because of the blue writing. And a red writing Dark Magician Girl, nice. Two of the same, but I'm okay with that. Magician Navigation, Scrap Iron Signal, a Hero Signal, Synchro Chase, Puppet Parade, Smile Action, a Miracle Fusion, Gaga Gaga Magician. I used to love playing the Gaga Gigos, if anybody remembers those, and then we're at the beginning again. So another interesting pack, at least I think so, especially with the two varying Dark Magician girls going on here. So overall, like, still love Yu-Gi-Oh! Like, I mean, the artwork on it is great, and like all the effects probably are now like handbook size that you need, not like in the old days. Well, I hope you like this. You know, if you want to support me, head on over to Project D.A.D on Patreon, so patreon.com/projectdad. And yeah, otherwise check out all my social media channels below on YouTube. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and Yu-Gi-Oh!